Welcome to this short video tutorial which will show you how to export your trades with SparkBot to show off to your friends and frenemies. SparkBot has the ability to create banners based on your successful trades which you can then use to share on social media. Let's take a look at an example trade. From the SparkBot menu, click on Export Trades. You will then see a list of your recent trades. Let's select a trade from the list. SparkBot then replies with an image showing you the pair that was traded, in this case Ethereum and Volt, and the percentage gain as well as the entry price of the trade and the exit price. SparkBot also generates a QR code which others can scan so you can help spread the Volt new voltage. This QR code is actually your referral link so you can get paid whenever trades are made going forward using the bot with your referral link. This concludes this short video tutorial on exporting trades in SparkBot.